All right, guys, this first lesson of this new unit's called Similar Triangles. And this first lesson is just to review proportions, being able to solve a proportion problem you're going to be using for the rest of the unit. So please just note, there's not really examples. I'm just going to do some of your problems for you because you've already done this in past classes. But basically, we're going to use the cross product property to solve this. If you've got a fraction right here, I'm not even going to walk through why. They just tell you take the top of one side, multiply it to the bottom of the other side. So 4 times 7, and set that equal, put the equal side back in to the top times the bottom. So 2 times x. And then you can just solve the problem. So we go through here, 4 times 7 is 28. 28 is equal to 2x. So to solve for x, we just divide by 2, and x is equal to 14. Yay, you're done. All right, the next example we're going to do, please note, they're not all going to be nice whole numbers. Just round it to the nearest tenth. Most of them are going to be decimal answers. So just don't panic when you see that. Look at the answer key if you need to. All right, this next one is the same thing. You just take the top of one side, multiply it to the bottom of the other side. Please just watch out that 5 has to distribute or multiply to both the x and the plus 4. Okay, and then it's going to equal, and then we just take the top times the other side's bottom, so 19 times 17, and we can go ahead and solve this problem. Let's distribute right here, 5 times x plus 5 times 4, which is 20, and grab a calculator. 19 times 17 is 323. All right, so to solve, I'm just trying to get x all by itself. Okay, so I'm going to subtract my 20 from both sides. So 5x is equal to 303. And I don't want 5 x's, I just want 1. So we're going to divide by that 5 and do that multiplication. And 303 divided by 5 is equal to 60.6. Again, I warned you, you're going to get decimals in this in these problems. That's okay. Go ahead and write that down as 60.6. And last example I'm going to do with you is question number 7. Again, top times bottom. This time you're going to have to distribute 2 terms or 2 sides. So x minus 20, and that's equal to top times bottom. I'm going to write the 3 first times x minus 11. And then we grab a calculator and do the math. So 18x minus 18 times 20 is 360. 3 times x minus 3 times 11, which is 33. And we can go ahead and solve. So let's subtract 3x from both sides. So 18x minus 3x is 15x. Let's go ahead and add 360 to both sides. So this is equal to 360 minus 33, which is 327. Again, I only want 1x, so I'm going to divide by that 15 that x was multiplied by, and get x is equal to 327 divided by 15, which is 21.8. That's an 8 right there. And you're done. All right. Finish up the rest of this page. There's an answer key if you need to check it.